तो अदनान सामी, बहुत से लोग ऐसे कहते हैं और इस देश में डिट्रैक्टर्स की कभी कमी नहीं हुई, किसी को भी डिट्रैक्टर्स की कमी नहीं होती, क्योंकि ढेर सारे डिट्रैक्टर्स मिलते हैं हर किसी को जो थोड़ी सुर्खियों में आता है। तो बहुत लोगों ने कहा कि आप एक तो पाकिस्तानी हैं, आप यहाँ पर जब एक ऐसा दौर चला, और आज जब हम बात कर रहे हैं वो दिन है 26/11, जो एक मंज़र था जो इस देश ने देखा और वो मुंबई में हुआ था। उसके बाद एनीथिंग टू डू विद पाकिस्तान ऐसा था कि बिल्कुल नो। आप पाकिस्तानी थे तो लाजमी है कि लोग समझते थे कि आप अपने कमर्शियल रीजंस की वजह से भारत को अपनाना चाहते हैं, क्योंकि आप को जो यहाँ कमर्शियल सक्सेस मिल सकती है वो शायद पाकिस्तान में इतने बड़े स्केल पर नहीं मिलेगी, क्योंकि भारत देश ही इतना बड़ा है, लोग ही इतने सारे हैं। तो आपको अंदर क्या महसूस होता था?
मुझे उन लोगों पे हंसी आती है क्योंकि उनको एक्चुअली मेरे बारे में कुछ पता नहीं है। उनको ये नहीं पता कि मैं किस फैमिली से बैकग्राउंड रखता हूँ। उनको ये नहीं पता कि मैं महलों को छोड़ के आया हूँ यहाँ पे। उनको ये नहीं पता कि मेरे जो ग्रैंडफादर्स थे, माय ग्रैंडफादर्स वर part of the royal family of Afghanistan. He was governor to four provinces of Afghanistan. My father was ambassador to 14 countries. Money was never the object in my life because I was always blessed with all. I was literally born with a golden spoon. I've never measured my success with money because I've always been blessed with money. So money has never been the criteria. In fact, on the other hand, I left money and came. So that factor is only for those people who think that somebody has just walked out of the street and come in from nowhere. They don't understand that I have been brought up with the best of facilities. I grew up. I was educated in England. I'm a barrister at law from Lincoln's Inn. I have had no deprivation of any kind. I could have lived anywhere. In fact, my wife is from Germany. I have my entire paternal side who lives in the United States, in Canada. I was born in England. I could choose any country, but I chose India. Why did I choose India? Because I love India. For me, love is more important than money. Money I can make anywhere. I've got the ability, I've had the facility. So they just talk about this kind of nonsense because they don't know better. So if anybody has anything, any kind of knowledge about me, they'll know that money is the least amount of things where I would be intimidated. So that is just basic ignorance that people try to talk nonsense from the perspective of not knowing any better. But the reality is something very, very different.
पर लोगों ने आपके पद्मश्री के समय भी ऐसी बातें कही। लोगों ने कहा कि ये एक पब्लिसिटी स्टंट है, ये सरकार।
हाँ, तो you see पब्लिसिटी स्टंट जो है वो तो है कि नहीं है, उसमें मेरा तो कोई लेना देना है नहीं। दूसरी बात ये है कि being an Indian, first of all, they need to also get another very important factor right, and that is that they, first of all, being an Indian, not only is anybody entitled towards a Padma Shri, provided they've delivered. My contribution to Indian music has been more than 20 years, just in India alone. So that is one factor. The other factor is my contribution to music. And the third factor is that, first of all, they need to understand that it is also, I mean, not that it applies over here because I already am an Indian citizen, but it also is a fact that you don't actually have to be an Indian citizen to get a Padma Shri. There are people who have received Bharat Ratnas who are not Indians. And the same thing goes with Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan. So this misconception in people's mind is absolutely wrong. Padma Shri or any of the Padma awards are given to your contribution towards India. And it is not necessary that you even have to be an Indian to have done that. There are many non-Indians who have received it. I happen to be an Indian, so that I don't even fall into that category. So when it comes to publicity stunt, I don't understand how that comes into place. You know, everybody today they are being done. They're being voted upon all over. The sites are there, so it's no longer something that is done by a coterie of people who are just simply doing it because of the fact that so and so is in favor and so is not in favor, and etc. etc. It is being voted upon. So you can go onto the websites and do it. It's being done in a very transparent fashion in any case.
In fact, it was the most beautiful surprise we have received when the call came and told us.
Yeah, I mean, the fact of the matter was that when I received my Indian citizenship, I was still hoping that I'll receive it because I was working towards it, because it was something that was a concerted effort. However, when I got the call about the Padma Shri, I was completely blown away. I mean, I didn't see this coming from anywhere. It was something that came as a wonderful bolt of lightning, So it came out of the blues because I was not. I always work. And I leave my work and I just move on, वो एक कहावत है ना कि नेकी कर दरिया में फेंक और आगे निकल. So I have always done that. I always do my work and move on and hope for the best, but never doing it with the intention that maybe I'll get this for this or I'll get that for that. If I get love and appreciation from my public and my fans, that's the most beautiful thing in the world. But getting this acknowledgement was something that was absolutely incredible.